So good afternoon guys. So this is my first video in 2022 after making number plate. So this is my number is WB58BP 3500. So this is Ashtam Kumar Shah. So today I'll just review the Honda Activa 125 V6. I have changed my rear wheel tire. So I have installed heat more grip tire. I will just show you. That's just see. So you know just see it, observe it precisely. Here MRF nylon japper tire was installed and I have fell down on road due to sleepings. So I have just installed it. This JK tire, it is more grip and it is giving more stability in riding, better stability. You can see the grip is so high, so it provides better stability. At JK tire 90 110 means is this outer bit is 100 mm, this inner bit is 90 mm, and this is 10-inch diameter or radius, whatever it is. So I told you that this class gearbox, if it is placed in front, in middle, anyhow, then it will provide more stability. So in case of that things, I couldn't do that things, but I have changed these rear wheels. Okay, so you can see this is the more grip rear wheels. So these things, okay guys, just observe it. So thank you, just subscribe if you like my video. And the mileage, it is giving 50 average kilometer per hour. I just use extra premium Indian oil, so that's why it is giving much better.